Hello and welcome to Is It Accessible? Today we're looking at the accessibility of the Africa exhibit at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens. This area is an open-air exhibit with faux stone paths throughout most of it, with paw prints in the stone. It can be a little bumpy for those traveling in wheelchairs. Most of the enclosures have clear glass so you can see very clearly into the exhibit for the lions, meerkats, hippos, painted dogs, and certain parts of the open hoofstock exhibit. The cheetah exhibit can be a bit hard to see past the greenery. The Giraffe Ridge is up on a wooden ramp from the rest of the Africa area or downhill from the elephant reserve. If you're traveling in a wheelchair, you can pull right up to the railing and see down into the giraffe exhibit, and during the feeding time, you can pull right up to the feeding station. This area does tend to be crowded during the summer, especially since the addition of Fiona the hippo. This will be even more busy right before and just after the cheetah encounter. The lion and hippo exhibit tend to be very loud, as well as the cheetah encounter. That's it for our video on the accessibility of the Africa exhibit at the Cincinnati Zoo. There is a link in the description below to the Cincinnati Zoo website for the Africa exhibit. Thanks for watching.